complicated.
The rest of it's complicated.
How's it we leave after Sunday school. Dad leaves whenever
When
he's
Dad
ready.
tells you, and it involves 3 cars, it's very complicated.
My bird friends, whom I've run out of my grill once, apparently have returned.
Twice, we ran him out twice. I ran him out.
Here they come. Now observe. I don't know if he notices me or not. He's just probably not threatened by me, because who's ever threatened by me. And in he goes. Whoop. Must be getting pretty full in there. I've never seen him have any trouble getting in. Whoop. Didn't make it. Let's try again. There we go. Now let's just see what work they've done. There he goes. He just flew out. Give it a little knock. And here's our result. Nest number 3. No eggs this time, however. Must remove the nest so I can cook out this afternoon.